Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel RnaJin 4510. So today we are going to know about Forbidden City. So this is a pic of Forbidden City. So our first question is, where is Forbidden City? Forbidden City is in Beijing, that is in China. Our next question is, what makes the Forbidden City special? The Forbidden City is the world's largest imperial palace. An estimated 1 million laborers worked to complete the structure. It has more than 90 palace quarters and courtyards, 980 buildings, and over 8,728 rooms. A common myth states that there are 9,999.5 rooms, but it is not supported by survey evidence. Our next question is, why is it called Forbidden City? In the past, commoners were prohibited from entering the Forbidden City without permission, and only imperial families and invited high officials can enter. Hence the name. Area of Forbidden City. Area of Forbidden City is about 72 hectares, that means 180 acres, with a total floor space of approximately 150,000 square meters. That means 1,600,000 square feet. So it consists of more than 90 palaces and courtyards, 980 buildings, and over 8,728 rooms. So I hope you liked my presentation. So please subscribe my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. Thank you and bye.